The only limits are the ones you set in your own mind. These self-imposed boundaries can often be the biggest obstacles to achieving the life you dream of. When you start to recognize and dismantle these mental barriers, you open up a world of possibilities. Have you ever noticed how some people just seem to attract wealth effortlessly? It's as if they have a magnetic pull that draws financial success towards them. This isn't a coincidence. It's a result of their mindset and the energy they project into the world. It's like money flows to them. They have mastered the art of aligning their thoughts and actions with their financial goals. This alignment creates a powerful force that attracts opportunities and resources. What they've tapped into is the potent power of mindset. By cultivating a mindset of abundance, they have learned to see opportunities where others see obstacles. They focus on possibilities rather than limitations, and this shift in perspective makes all the difference. Get ready to unlock your own financial success by shifting your thoughts and beliefs about money. This journey begins with understanding that your thoughts are incredibly powerful. They shape your reality and influence your actions. This isn't about some magic trick. It's about harnessing the power of your mind to create the financial future you desire. By changing your mindset, you can change your life. It's about understanding the universal law of attraction and applying it to your finances. The law of attraction states that like attracts like. When you focus on abundance and prosperity, you attract more of the same into your life. It's about realizing that you are worthy and capable of creating the life you desire, including financial abundance. Believing in your worthiness is a crucial step in manifesting wealth. When you truly believe that you deserve success, you start to take actions that align with that belief. Are you ready to step into your power? Let's dive in. Embrace the mindset of abundance and watch as your financial reality transforms. Remember, the journey to financial success starts with a single step, a shift in your mindset. Let's embark on this journey together and unlock the limitless potential within you. The law of attraction states that like attracts like. This means that the energy you put out into the universe, whether positive or negative, will attract similar energy back to you. Simply put, your thoughts and beliefs create your reality. If you believe in abundance and prosperity, you are more likely to attract those things into your life. When it comes to money, your subconscious mind plays a huge role. It's not just about conscious thoughts. Your deep-seated beliefs and feelings about money can either attract or repel wealth. If you constantly worry about money, feel scarce, or believe wealth is only for a select few, you're actually repelling it. These negative thoughts create a barrier that prevents financial abundance from flowing into your life. The good news? You can consciously choose to focus on abundance. By changing your mindset and focusing on positive thoughts about money, you can start to attract more of it. Start by shifting your internal dialogue. Pay attention to the thoughts you have about money and replace negative ones with positive affirmations. Instead of saying, "I can't afford that," try, "How can I create the abundance to afford that?" This simple shift in language opens up your mind to possibilities and solutions. Remember, your thoughts are powerful magnets. Choose them wisely. By consistently focusing on positive thoughts and feelings about money, you can start to see real changes in your financial situation. The law of attraction is always at work, so make sure you're attracting what you truly desire. Visualization is another powerful tool. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing yourself achieving your financial goals. See yourself living in abundance, feeling secure and happy, and don't forget to take action. The law of attraction works best when combined with practical steps towards your goals. Set clear financial goals, make a plan, and take consistent action towards achieving them. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Each step forward is a sign that you're on the right path. By maintaining a positive mindset and taking deliberate actions, you can harness the power of the law of attraction to create the financial abundance you desire. We all have beliefs about money, often formed in childhood. Maybe you heard phrases like, "Money doesn't grow on trees," or "We can't afford that." These beliefs, while seemingly harmless, can create deep-seated blocks to financial abundance. Take some time to reflect on your own money story. What were you taught about money growing up? Do you find yourself repeating any of these beliefs? Once you've identified these limiting beliefs, you can begin to challenge and replace them with empowering ones. Affirmations are a fantastic tool for this. Gratitude is like a magnet for abundance. When you appreciate what you have, no matter how small, you're shifting your energy to a place of abundance, which attracts even more to be grateful for. Start each day by acknowledging the things you're grateful for financially. It could be as simple as having a roof over your head, food on the table, or even just a few dollars in your wallet. This simple practice can significantly shift your energy and open you up to receiving more abundance. Visualization is a powerful technique used by many successful people. It involves creating a clear mental image of what you desire, engaging all your senses to make it feel real. Close your eyes and imagine yourself living your dream life. Picture your dream home, your ideal career, the financial freedom to travel and pursue your passions. How does it feel? What emotions are present? The more vividly you can experience this in your mind, the more you'll attract it into your reality. Manifesting money requires clarity and intention. It's not enough to simply say, "I want to be rich." You need to define what wealth means to you and set specific, measurable goals. Do you desire a certain income level? Are you saving for a down payment on a house? Do you want to retire early? Whatever your financial aspirations, write them down, break them down into smaller, actionable steps, and create a plan to achieve them. Manifesting is not about sitting back and waiting for money to fall into your lap. The universe loves action. It's about aligning your thoughts and beliefs with your desires and then taking inspired action towards your goals. Once you've set your financial goals, what steps can you take today to move closer to them? Maybe it's updating your resume, taking a course to enhance your skills, or exploring new income streams. Remember, even small steps consistently taken can lead to significant results. Surrounding yourself with positive influences. The people you surround yourself with have a profound impact on your mindset and energy. If you're constantly around negative people who complain about money or believe wealth is unattainable, it will be challenging to maintain a positive and abundant mindset. Seek out supportive and inspiring individuals who uplift and empower you. Connect with mentors, join mastermind groups, or attend workshops and events that align with your financial goals. Remember, you become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, so choose wisely. Celebrating milestones and practicing patience. Manifesting money is a journey, not a destination. It's important to celebrate your progress along the way and practice patience as you allow your manifestations to unfold. Acknowledge and appreciate each financial win, no matter how small. Did you receive an unexpected bonus? Did you negotiate a raise? Celebrate these victories. Remember, the universe responds to your energy. When you're grateful for what you have and trust in the process, you'll attract even more abundance. Real-life stories of women manifesting wealth. These are not just tales of success, but powerful narratives of transformation, resilience, and the incredible potential that lies within every woman. Countless women have transformed their financial lives by shifting their mindsets and embracing the principles of manifestation. By focusing on their goals, visualizing success, and taking inspired action, they have turned dreams into reality. Take, for instance, the story of Sara Blakely, the founder of Spanx. Her journey is a remarkable example of how determination and belief can lead to extraordinary success. Sara started her billion-dollar company with just $5,000 in savings. She faced numerous rejections and challenges, but her unwavering belief in her product and her vision kept her going. She had a vision, believed in herself, and took consistent action. Sara's story teaches us that no matter how small the initial investment, with the right mindset and perseverance, success is achievable. Or consider Oprah Winfrey, who overcame immense adversity to become a media mogul and philanthropist. Her story is one of incredible resilience, showing that even the most challenging circumstances can be overcome with determination and self-belief. Their stories are a testament to the power of mindset and the limitless possibilities that exist when you believe in yourself. These women have shown that by harnessing the power of positive thinking and taking decisive action, you can manifest the life you desire. Beyond individual success, these stories also highlight the importance of community and support. Many successful women attribute their achievements to the encouragement and mentorship they received from others. Engaging in personal development, attending workshops, and continuously learning are key components of their journeys. They understand that growth is a continuous process and that investing in oneself is crucial. Visualization, meditation, and practicing gratitude are common practices among these successful women. These techniques help them stay focused, maintain a positive mindset, and attract the opportunities they seek. As we celebrate these real-life stories of women manifesting wealth, let us be inspired by their journeys. They remind us that with the right mindset, determination, and support, we too can achieve our dreams and create the life we desire. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. You have the power within you to create the financial reality you desire. It all starts with shifting your mindset, embracing abundance, and taking inspired action. Remember, you are worthy of wealth and abundance. Believe it, embody it, and watch your financial dreams unfold. Your journey to financial freedom starts now.